Hey, this is Tony. Welcome back to our channel. We're talking about the LiftMaster wireless keypads, LM5, LM250. I've got an LM250 in my hand right here. It has a steel housing. It holds 250 codes. And the LM5 is a very similar product. It has a plastic housing and holds 5 codes. So we want to talk about the differences and why you might need one over the other. The LM250 is a 3-channel keypad, so it works with all versions of LiftMasters. The LM5 only works with the current version. So if you're buying a new gate opener, LM5 is going to work with it fine. If you're trying to get to an older legacy gate opener, you'll need the LM250 to do that. Both of them can be easily mounted to a post or a column or a keypad stand. They transmit wirelessly. The important thing is to keep it far enough away from the gate that nobody could be operating the keypad while they're able to touch the gate. This is generally not a problem because you want that whole nose of the car between the gate and the keypad, so when you drive up, you can touch the keypad outside the window. They're available up to whatever practical length you want. You won't want it more than about 50 feet at the very most from your gate opener. You want to make sure you can clearly see the gate from the keypad so you can tell if somebody's in the way or there might be an obstruction. Both of these products send an encrypted message to the gate opener to open it up. So if somebody is out there with a reader, they're not going to be able to reproduce that because it is a rolling code. The LiftMaster keypads have a party mode, so you can hold the gate open if you have a party or something of that nature where 3 people are coming to it. It also has a feature that if somebody comes up to it trying to guess your code, it'll eventually lock them out. And also, Gatecrafters has 7-day-a-week technical support from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So if you're installing it, you have a quick question, we're there to help you 7 days a week. Thank you very much for learning about the LiftMaster keypad.